Hello everyone, my name is Wu. I used to be a Chinese traditional medicine student, and I work in clinic field for a few years. Not so old classic, but much modern, I think. So I often notice that people around me or online are both curious and skeptical about traditional Chinese medicine. I think one of the main reasons may be a lack of understanding of TCM, because in my own journey of learning and applying TCM, I went from being skeptical at first to questioning it, and then gradually reflecting on it, which gave me a deeper understanding. In high school, I mainly studied subjects like math, chemistry, and biology, which are more concrete. So when I got to college and started learning abstract concepts like yin yang and the five elements, it was hard for me not to feel skeptical and find it a little bit hard to accept. And in college, we had to study both TCM and modern medicine at the same time. The clash between those two different systems made it really easy for me to question some aspect of TCM. It wasn't until I started working in the clinic, facing the girls' doubts and helplessness when dealing with disease, that I began to reflect on the limitations of my understanding of illness. Honestly, modern medicine has advanced really fast, but our understanding of disease is still pretty limited. One reason is that we still know so little about our own body. Sometimes I feel like we really underestimate ourselves because every single cell and molecule in our body is designed with such precision and works so hard to keep everything run smoothly. The way those molecules and cells interact is incredibly complex, and figuring out every single pathway would be a massive task. Maybe something only scientists with advanced technology and the growing power of AI can tackle. But for regular people like us, who don't have the access to cutting-edge tech or the computing power of AI, does that mean there's no way for us to understand our own bodies? That's something I've been thinking about a lot. And I believe traditional Chinese medicine can play a big role in answering this question. Perhaps someone may ask, why should we bother to understand our own bodies? Isn't it better to leave it to the professional doctors? I must clarify this is indeed a very correct approach. When ill, it's crucial to seek timely treatment at the hospital. However, in life, aside from infections, many diseases do not suddenly strike down the body, nor can they be completely cured and return to normal just by taking medication. Often, long before the onset of disease, the body has already begun to change, and the balance is slowly being disrupted. It's just that we usually not only notice when a virus symptoms appear, then we are sick. Therefore, noticing changes in the body earlier and adjusting interventions may be a way to maintain health and delay the progression of disease. This idea is one of the very important concepts in traditional Chinese medicine, treating disease before it arises, which means detecting abnormalities in the body's activity before symptoms appear, and restoring them to a normal state. How about that? Isn't fascinating? It's This is what I previously believed. We should pay attention to our own bodies. So, do we need to find a TCM practitioner to take care of us at all times? Perhaps you really would not agree, and there is no enough TCM practitioners. Or we could gradually learn the basics of TCM ourselves, apply this knowledge to our own bodies, pay attention to the changes, and make appropriate adjustments. This is the reason I want to create this series of videos. I hope to share some basic knowledge of the traditional Chinese medicine with everyone to help you understand TCM and use its principles to maintain your health. I plan to use university textbooks along with the TCM classic, The Yellow Vampire's Inner Column, to explain TCM series step by step. If you are interested, you are welcome to join me and learn together.